you get him?
Yeah.
You got him? I don't think you hit him hard enough. No, look. There he is. Go kill the fly. Get him.
What?
Get him.
What?
You gotta kill him. Go get him.
I want to kill him, Mommy. I don't like it. I don't like mosquitoes. I don't like mosquitoes.
It's not mosquitoes. It's a fly. Did you get him, Kaylee?
It's mosquitoes? Yeah.
No, he's not. He's right there. Where is he?
Yeah.
There he is.
I'm gonna kill it.
Go get him. Go kill him, Kaylee.
I'm gonna kill him.
Go get him, Lexi.
No.
Go kill him, Lexi.
I killed it.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I killed it.
Did it get you?
Yeah. Dick. I don't want to get him. It's gonna get me.
What happened?
It's gonna get me.
Did you get him?
No.
Alright, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hmm.
Bye, fly. Bye. Bye. Bye.
That you've been defeated. There he goes.
Bye. She going Papa said mommy. She going Papa. She going her mommy.
Just going to mommy's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.